In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply fix slow download speeds on your PC or laptop. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. So first up, what you're going to do is that you're going to go over to your start menu and then click on settings. Once you do that, what you're going to do now is you're going to click on network and internet. So click on the network and internet option and then go over to the Wi-Fi and then select the network you're using, expand it, and then what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that metered connection is turned off. So turn off metered connection. Once you do that, you want to go back to the network and internet option again, and then this time scroll down until you find advanced network settings. Then click on it. Once you do that, you can then click on the Wi-Fi you're using and then click on edit. Once you do that, this option will pop up and then you want to simply select the Internet Protocol version 4. So click on the Internet Protocol version 4 and then click on properties. And then what you're going to do now is you want to click on the use the following DNS server address, and then you're going to insert this code 8. So 8, then 8 again, and then 8, and then 8 for the preferred DNS server. Then for the alternate DNS server, you're going to click on 8. Then 8 again, and then 4, and then 4 again, and then you can click on OK. Then once you do that, what you're going to do now is that you want to also so you're going to exit the settings option and then go over to the start menu again and search for CMD, and then right click on this on the CMD option and click on the run as administrator. Then click on yes. Then you're going to type this in, ipconfig then slash flush DNS. So type this in right over here. So you want to type this in, then click on enter. And then once you're done doing that, you can then simply restart your laptop and your issue should be solved. So that's how you can simply fix slow download speeds on your Windows PC or laptop. If you found this video helpful or if you enjoyed it, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.